Hello, FM members, I Xposed GH. Patch subscribe, mommy. Patch Founders Day, Chemui. Ya papa presidents. Gagai. Nana Kufuado. Okoye speech be. Na speech no na things were a bit controversial. I say the founder and the founders are the different things. Okayambe can say Ghana was not founded by one person. Or take it bashing from them. But I want to expose something that you don't know. Now, Yanche said, who is even a founder? Where did we start to even get to where we were? Yankotie, your president's language in Mbreba, Mekasa.
I speak to you this evening, rejecting completely the notion that Ghana was founded by one man. Whilst Kwame Nkrumah's contributions to our independence are undeniable and unassailable, it is important to acknowledge for our self-respect that the struggle for our nation's freedom was a collective effort spanning several generations.
Yeah, so Akotiaba, very interested. Yakase Obi no a founder. It means oya what the initiator, oya what the establisher. Was Ghana established by Kwame Nkrumah? Very controversial. Young Kweche, the born of 1844. That was when the British colony decided to say we are supposed to give what Ghana independence. And when you draw the road map to Ghana's what independence. 1844, ni wo ya papa Kwame Nkrumah. Ya wo 1909. Ni wo no 1844. Ya wo 1909. It was decided by the British. And a few chiefs at that time said we should give what Ghana what independence. Ya papa Kwame Nkrumah na ya wono. That is a fact we need to establish. Now number 2. Yes, start here na ye kona ye kunkum nkofo bi ewo we soldier for bi na omo ko no sergeant ageten ma ye shoot omo no. That led to what we call an agitation. Say we want self-independence now. Good. At that time na ye wo Kwabia from UGCC. And now I'm the MPP for no. And the other people who are called the Big Six. Emuna Akweje Kase Abrantie bi wo UK. Oh, you're brilliant. Let me go and bring him. Eti Akweje Yusu onu sika no kofa ye wura Kwame Nkrumah bae. Mutie ni yo. Obaye no and almost selling the idea to him because no a pan-Africanist. Wo Tom selling the idea to him say we want to gain independence now. Eti often as secretary to what UGCC. Eti edu baby na ekono. Other people ne feel say Ghana, are we ready to be self-governed? And the Kwame Nkrumah so can say we want independence now. People cry feel say na upper independence now just rule. Eti edu baby no ote CPP efi UGCC mu ote ne ho no na otimi egada nkofo say we want independence now. Muntie the year. But the independence of Ghana has been what? Discussed already 1844 when Kwame Nkrumah was not born. And what led to the agitation was the killing of the 3 soldiers. That time not Yewura Kwame Nkrumah no UK as a student. What you say? That is the fact. Now fast forward. Edu one ebi say yentwen ebi say there be. And our prayer nya independence. Yewie no ose no. I still want these white people to go. It's a republic. That was 1960. Now, before then, no, yeah, in time na near bought the flag and when not there were people that we call the Big Six. No, some of them didn't like it, no. They also make sure say we got independence. They all formulate what plan was it, the constitution and all that. It's a we na buy na chale yenya independence no. I want assembly start here no. Yewura Kwame Nkrumah edu baby no. Now why ye vindictive. It means say obia I say oka obeka bi no na oppose no. As much as oye bi ma Ghana no, say who catch him say only the only founder of Ghana. Me no wonya adwen because even when Abrofonika say young found Ghana no, it was not there. So what I say, hey, Mami ko Bible kakra. Mami chamase. Look at the kingdom of God. The kingdom of God was there before Jesus. The kingdom of God was there before Jesus. Because Moses knew when they brought what? The kingdom of God to down. But Jesus came to what? Establish it. Are we going to say, if we play role in Abraham, we should discuss them or we should discard them? No. Bible no in a sense no anything that Moses wants Abraham wants obedience up to Jesus. Only the final authority, but then there were others who helped him to bring what? The kingdom of God what? Onto earth. Sad see Ghana. It's me mom dear. Founder, any founders. And yes, it should be fast about it. After all, nipa baako na need to be nyame. What you say? And na nipa baako onsa ya hen emienu. Nienti a me pese ye twe ade we mu. Na I prefer founders over founder is two things. Number one, unity. Ye hwe the big six na. Nkaifo wom, pepefo wom, wefo wom. And no crash say it brings what we call unity. Instead of what we call solidarity, is like nipa baako. No be a na kwame ma ayebi but wo hwe niam nkofo so ye akwaje any other people they also played very significant roles. Are we saying say we are not going to acknowledge these people? And yes sir, people will say it's not even worth dying for Ghana. That's what I'll say. Whether it's founder or founders, who cares? After all, they are all Ghanaians. It's me mom there Founders Day no. I like it. In September, we are celebrating the birthday of Kwame Nkrumah. Even America has Founders Day. America. But Abraham Lincoln, America too, but they appreciate and acknowledge those people who were there before Abraham Lincoln. Why can't we do the same? My for politics and radio women. Yet the realm M1 me. Me pacho, as the discussion goes on, maybe the assemble in America in the spirit of unity. Let's take to the Founders Day. The S, which means we are all one. Yes, sir. Ebeko yenim. CPPO, MPPO, NDCO. Yenina Ghana for. I expose you, FM Bible. Social media from here. Bye, Joseph and Bye bye.